So today we're going to download Google Chrome on macOS. A lot of people like Google Chrome, and if you're a new person to the macOS operating system, it helps to have a little bit of familiarity with what you're doing. And Google Chrome, certainly on your old Windows PC perhaps, was something that you went to most of the time. And when you look at all these icons here, you may not recognize many of them. You might feel a little bit overwhelmed, and having Google Chrome at least will get you on the start to feeling a little bit more familiar with the new operating environment. So what we've got here is Safari, which is the default browser for Mac OS. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on that, and we're going to notice we've got the address bar up here. Things look a little bit different compared to Windows, but I'm going to click on this one, this link here. Next, we're going to type Chrome into the search engine, and we're going to come up to some different links here. It's always good to make sure you know what URL you're clicking on. But what we're going to do is we're going to go click on this one. And we go straight to the download Chrome button that we can click on here. So all we have to do is read the terms of service. And we can always print it out if you like. But we're going to accept and install. And you'll notice a little icon just went flying into the downloads section there. And you can see there's a little progress bar right here. We'll just wait for that one to download. We can close off this browser. And when it finishes, it should jump up and down. There we go. Means it's all ready to go. So you just click on it, and we're going to click on this one right here. And we'll see that it's verifying, opening Google Chrome.dmg. Now for Windows users, you'll notice that things look a little bit different, but what we're going to do is we're going to click the mouse button down, and we're going to drag it all the way into this folder here. You can see that's come up there. Let's move it somewhere down there, and that should be fine. And you can see that it's now copying Google Chrome in there, and you can see a little progress bar as well as up there. And that's great. So we can close this one off here. This is just a little image here. We can just click with this one and eject the Google Chrome. There, that's a right click if you've got a Windows mouse. I think it's the control key and a left click with the standard mouse keyboard you get with Mac. And what we're going to do now is we're going to drag this all the way down in here, so you don't have to go into the applications folder. We're just going to click, and we're going to drag all the way down here. I'm going to put it right there. And then we're done. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to click it. We'll get a little message. It says Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And we'll just say yes for that one. Open. And we're in Chrome. So if you have a Google account, you can turn on the sync there and sync all your bookmarks and so forth. I'm not going to worry about that now, so I'm just going to hit not now, And there we go. So we can close that one off. And there we go for today.